Hi, this is Kumail Radha from datavisuals.com, and this is our fifth video on data analytics and visualization. And in this, we'll be talking about how we can visualize performance of sales rep and their managers. We would be using pie chart tree for this. The use case. A lot of time when we see the data, we don't get to understand if the managers and sales rep meeting their targets or not. How much do they exceed or falling behind? What is the percentage in terms of overall sales? Sales by sales manager and sales rep. And this is not only the single use case. It could be like sales by region, sales by country, by state, or sales by segments or by products. So the tree visuals could really be very useful. Now have a look at this. This is the data we have, the manager, their sales rep, their sales, the progress, and the target. This is not very clearly or easily understandable in the form of these numbers. When we see this in the form of a tree map, you can see overall we are exceeding 11.64%, and that's more than 50%. These are the four managers, and three of them are exceeding their targets, and they are like quite ahead. Like this is exceeding the target by 8.15%. John is exceeding the target by 29%. Jonathan by 26%. However, Steve is falling behind. But how easy and quickly we can understand what's happening with the sales targets and which sales rep is not performing. We can easily see that Justin is falling behind overall. However, overall Kemp is performing better, but Justin is falling behind, and Steve is falling behind, and his sales reps are also falling behind, and quite considerably. Langer is almost meeting his targets, but Tom is quite behind, and therefore that's affecting Steve's performance. So this tree map is quite amazing in terms of how performance is varying among different managers and their sales rep. And this is quite interactive as well. You can see that the tooltips appear, the value and the target. 19,190 units have been sold against the target of 33,000, but the overall progress at the moment should be 50%, and that's ahead of 50%. These are interactive. We can expand and collapse. So if we just need to see the four managers, we can easily quickly see the visualization and get an idea of the sales performance. The gray color is showing that it should be 50% progressed, and the green and the red color shows whether they are exceeding the target or falling behind. And with the tooltip, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you know anyone who would find this video useful, don't forget to share it and subscribe to our YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter accounts. Boom. Thank you.